Hi, I'm Teja. My name is. Hi, I'm Teja. I have completed second intermediate, and my parents' name is my father name is Kishore Babu, and my mother name is Anand Kumari. My father is the auto driver, and my mother is a tailor. My hobbies are dancing and singing, and my achievements are I got in certificate and playing games. Pen is a writing instrument. It is used in white books and red books. Most of the people are using the black pens, blue pens, red pens, green pens. The students are using the blue pens to write answer and to write question. They are using black color pens. And teachers are using red pens and principals are using green color pens. So pens are most important for our life to write, and there are many colors of pens. They are using for designing the colors. To design, they are using to sketches. They are using. And they have gel pens. Colors. The pen has many types. Neon pen, Natraj pen, speed. Ha, ba, ha, top, topple, top, bat, bubble, cap, table, better, pot, dusk, advice, lord, kit, discover, see, mistake, miss, Jew, this one, this, fun, ten, touch, victory, level, brave, window, right, market, character, mayor, toy, listen, island, bottle. Titan is
Start. Start. Time is counting.
yeah. Tonight in my dreams, I see you, I feel you. That is how I go home. Far across the distance, places between us. Go on. Echo.
You have reassessment for Titanic. Continue to next one.
Grammar song. Hari's mom asked, him to clean the garbage. A student at an all-boys high school should be on best behavior. On his best behavior. Neither may,
Speak louder.
neither may or I why the store was closed. After the training, you and I must discuss a few things. I missed the bus because I was late. Bus. The queue was very long, so I did not wait. Distance was too long to cover. Distance. I went to the market and brought a lot of fruits. The traffic in the city is unreal. I have to cut my hair today. I am Tejasri. He is my best friend. We are neighbors. There are his friends. You are tall. I have a sister. She is very smart. If you do not change, the changing will change you. So better changing before change you. She is
What's that?
8, sir. 8. She is an aeronautical engineer. There is a businessman. She is an air hostess. We are students. She is an English teacher. Mr. Ram Babu is a librarian. My neighbors are a upholsters. Dr. Saimala is an orthopedics. My mother is getting her eyes tested tested at ophthalmologist. This is a very big room. She is very intelligent girl. She helps everyone. He is a good boy. He can solve problems in maths. I have a clean blanket. The dog is very lover, clear. I have a ball. It's round. I brought a few books for my friends. We are royal friends. We meet every day. The water in the bowl is very soft. Can you wait for me? Stop. Your bag is behind the corner of the room. He is standing across the tree. There is a monkey sitting on the tree. I am walking on the road. We are swimming in the river. Our home on the other side. She is standing at on an old man in the bus stand stop. Sister helps my father in the kitchen. Raju shares anything with us. My dog drinks only milk. He sings well, but the dance, dancing. She is studying well. She getting a good garden too. It climbs trees. I think so.